guys, it's So, hi, it's Lita, and I got really sick the day that my mom moved out of the apartment on Tuesday. Oh my god, this is like gonna be a video of me coughing only. On Tuesday, my mom moved out to her new house and took all 6 of my cats. I knew that was gonna be happening, but when it happened, it hit me like really hard, got really sick. But still, then Sammy and I went on a mini road trip to San Luis Obispo and visited the bubblegum alley, which was disgusting. So basically it is just an entire wall of bubblegum. Then we took this like really long trek. Sorry, my hands are like in my pockets this whole time because it's really cold in here. Then we took this really long back road back to the freeway, and it was really cool, and we saw cows and there were like trees and stuff everywhere. Yeah, ow. And then I went to LA the day before yesterday. Wait, yeah. I went to LA and hung out with Melissa. And I don't know if you guys know this already, but Melissa and I are going to be getting a studio together in LA. I know, I just moved like Tuesday, a week. I'm moving again, this time to LA. So yeah, I went to LA and we were gonna go look for apartments, but I got there a little bit too late and we didn't have a car. So we just ended up going and hanging out with Johnny Gilbert instead, which was a great alternative. We just like ate a sandwich, hung out, watched, I don't even know what movies we watched. We tried watching Paranormal Activity something, and we definitely invaded his house for over 12 hours. Sorry. And yeah, that's pretty much all that happened. So this is an outfit video, except most of my stuff is from like the exact same place. Most of it, not all of it though. So we're gonna start with the shirt top thing. This is a Sailor Moon Crystal Tokyo Motorcycle Club sweatshirt. It has pockets. I got this from Syndrome Shop. It used to be a Store and Me thing, but I think they now have like an actual website. I'll have to just like put it down here because I'm not actually entirely sure what the website is. And I decided to pair it with this necklace choker that's just like a big acrylic crescent moon, black crescent moon, because I was like, whoa, that would be perfect with the Sailor Moon thing and stuff. So yeah, and then also from Syndrome Shop is this backpack. I know so many of you have seen this before. It's this little leather backpack that has black wings on it, and I figured that would be cute too, like with this whole, you know, Sailor Moon thing, and I was like, oh, wings, that would be so cool, like, and it's black. So, not. This is the skirt that's actually from a different store. It's not from the Syndrome Shop. Yeah. Okay, it's actually not from Syndrome Shop store. It's from Shop Inu Inu. I think it's like inuinu.net or something like that. Once again, I'll just put the thingy here, the link for the website. So yeah, this skirt is from Shop Inu Inu. And then these tights that I already ruined this morning because I have cat claws. They're unfocused, but I have little kitty claws. But yeah, these, they're already running because of my claws, are from Syndrome Shop as well. Surprise, surprise. They are those like tights that have the little gun things in them. I know absolutely nothing about guns, but it looked badass with this whole ensemble, so I figured, why not? And then of course for shoes, my creepers, which are like, whoa, sick. You know? I don't know what this is. What am I doing? Why do I do this? Those, I think I got those from a store called Toxic at the mall. But I'm pretty sure you can just get them online. Then we'll move on to the ears. This has been such a frequently asked question forever since I came back to the internet, is where did you get your ears? I actually got these particular ears from Etsy. I'm not sure what seller it is, nor if they're even still on Etsy. But you could probably easily find something very similar to them if you just search animal ears or cat ears or wolf ears on Etsy. I wanted to do my contacts too because a lot of people ask me where I get my contact lenses. And so for today, my contact lenses are these ones. They're like really, really, really pink, and like, bam, you know. And they're from PinkyParadise.com. I actually get all of my contacts from Pinky Paradise. These contacts specifically are Dolly Eye Pink, I think. So guys, I hope you liked the video, and I will be going back to LA like pretty frequently, I think. To look for apartments, unless I can snag one like the first time I go there, which would be completely awesome. So pray for me. I'm sorry my voice is so just crap today. It was actually worse the other day. My voice is like completely gone. It was like seriously, it was bad. Really bad. So yeah, okay, anyway. Ow. Sorry, I don't know what the hell just happened. Okay, I love you guys very much, and I will be back very soon. Okay, I love you guys, and I will see you later. Okay, please have a beautiful day, and remember to smile always. Love you. Bye.